Push to overturn a new Maryland law that will go before a judge. Now, the law that we're talking about is the Child Victims Act. It allows survivors of child sex abuse to come forward with claims no matter when that abuse happened. The Archdiocese of Washington is challenging that new legislation. Marcella Robertson joins us now to get us up to speed on all this. And Marcella, this morning we're hearing from the victims' attorneys.
Yeah, Wisdom, this is really just the latest in this decades-long admitted abuse claims within the church. That hearings that just started at 10 o'clock this morning. And the attorneys for the victims seeking justice say this new law was trying to right a wrong to compensate these abuse victims. It's an effort the survivors' attorneys say the Archdiocese of Washington is now trying to block. The Child Victims Act that became law on October 1st of 2023, essentially eliminating the statute of limitations. The very same day, the attorneys for survivors of child sex abuse in the church filed a class action suit. The following month, the Archdiocese of Washington filed a motion to dismiss that lawsuit, calling the Child Victims Act unconstitutional. Now, the victims' attorneys say they are seeking money for survivors to help them put their lives back together and move on.
This motion to dismiss is a transparent effort on the part of the Archdiocese of Washington to shield their assets from their own parishioners. All of the children and young adults who were sexually abused are members of the church. They're members of the flock. And so what the Archdiocese of Washington is really arguing is that they don't want to compensate them. They don't want to be responsible to them for their admitted sexual abuse over decades.
And the Archdiocese of Washington has admitted that at least 30 of its clergy members have been credibly accused of sexual abuse of minors. Again, that hearing happening at 10 o'clock this morning. It's happening in Prince George's County Circuit Court. It's held there because the Archdiocese of Washington is headquartered in Hyattsville. Now, again, this going before a judge this morning. It is unclear, though, how quickly a judge will make a decision after today's hearing. But attorneys say whatever decision is made, the other side will appeal. And this is something that will ultimately end up at the Maryland Supreme Court. This decision, though, would really have an impact on child sex abuse survivors all across Maryland, not just in the church.